Good morning children, I am Sardiasis. Now I am going to teach you the reproductive system in human beings. As I told you, there is a advanced system, or we can say advanced organs and organ system in both male and female body to do reproduction. First we can see the male reproductive system. So which are the organs in the male reproductive system we can see. So what is a reproductive system? A group of organs which involve in the reproduction are collectively called a reproductive system. So in male reproductive system we can see a group of organs which are there. Let's see. So in male reproductive system we can see the organs such as the first organ, that is the primary sex organ or gonad, that are a pair of testes. These are paired structure, 2 in number. And the second one is scrotum. And the third organ is urethra. Sorry, vas deferens. We can write vas deferens. Plural vas differentia, and it is also known as sperm duct. That also paired structure. You can write over here paired structure. And the fourth one, penis. So these are the organs in the male reproductive structure or system. Along with that, 2 accessory glands also we have to see. 2 accessory glands. The first one is seminal vesicle. Seminal vesicle, and the second one prostate gland. These are the 2 important glands which involve in the reproductive system in male. So these are the organs in the male reproductive system. Here testes and vas deferens are paired structure. Okay. Let's see the structure. You can see the structure. First one, testes you can see. Then scrotum. It's a pouch of skin that I will teach you later. Then the third one, urethra. So this is a urethra, a long tube. So I write over here urethra. This is the urethra. Okay. And you can see the 2 glands, seminal vesicles, accessory glands such as prostate gland. Then vas deferens or sperm duct That also paired structure, sperm duct, and penis. These are the main organs in the male reproductive system. Now we can see all these organs in detail. So first we can see testis. Okay. Testis. Testis is a paired structure, that is 2 in number. And testes are the primary sex organs in male, or we can say testes are the male gonads. So first point, these are the primary sex organs, and these are responsible for the production of male gamete and male sex hormone. Which is the male gamete? Sperm. Which is the male sex hormone? Testosterone. And these testes are oval shaped structure. These are oval shaped structure. Okay. So testes are the primary gonads or primary sex organs or male gonads in male reproductive system. They are responsible for the production of male gamete as well as male sex hormone, and these are oval shaped structure. Okay. And next point, next organ, which is the next organ? Scrotum. See, scrotum, it is a pouch of skin. It's a pouch-like structure, we can say. And the testes, the spheroid structure such as testes, lie inside this scrotum. So the first point, pouch-like structure. And testis enclosed inside the scrotum. Okay. And the scrotum act as a thermoregulator. Act as a thermoregulator. It's an important point. Thermoregulator. So how does scrotum act as a thermoregulator? The scrotum can provide an optimum temperature to the testis for the proper production of male gamete. See, normally the testis need only low temperature to produce the sperm. So, this scrotum actually hangs between the thigh. So, it hangs between the thigh means being outside the abdominal cavity, it consists of only low temperature than the normal body temperature. What is the normal body temperature? 37 degrees Celsius. So, being outside the abdominal cavity, the scrotum along with the testis hangs between the thigh. So, being outside the abdominal cavity, the scrotum can retain 3 degrees Celsius lower than the normal body temperature. Okay, so most probably 33 to 34 degrees Celsius can maintain by the scrotum. Is it clear? So, being outside the abdominal cavity, the scrotum can retain an optimum temperature or lower temperature than the normal body temperature, and that optimum temperature is enough to produce the sperm by the testis. Okay. So, the scrotum act as a thermoregulator by providing an optimum temperature to the testis for the production of sperm. So, it is called a thermoregulator. Is it clear about scrotum? Okay. And we can say the scrotum hangs between the legs or thighs. Is it clear about scrotum? Next we can see the third one, vas deferens. Vas deferens or sperm duct. They are also paired structure. So here the sperm produced by the testis can carry by a long tube called a sperm duct. So this vas deferens carries sperm from the testis to the penis. Okay. So carries sperm from testis to penis. And the sperm duct or vas deferens also join with another tube called urethra. Join with urethra, and this urethra coming from urinary bladder. So, first this vas deferens or sperm duct carries sperm from the testis to penis. On the way, it can join with the urethra which is coming from the urinary bladder. And here the two accessory glands. Which are the two accessory glands? Seminal vesicles and prostate gland and their secretion. So here the prostate gland and seminal vesicle and prostate gland and their secretions. So along the path of the vas deferens, so while they are carrying sperm, along the path of the vas deferens, the two accessory glands such as seminal vesicles and prostate gland add their secretions to the sperm that make the sperm in liquid form. So that make this secretion make the sperm into liquid form, and that is called semen. Okay, so semen is a thick liquid due to the secretion of these two glands, and the semen consists of sperm cells. Okay, and moreover, these secretions provide nutrition. You can see it provides nutrition to the sperm. Provide nutrition and make the further transportation easier. Make transportation of sperm or semen easier. Easy. You can write easy. Okay, so what are the functions of the secretions of seminal vesicle? Along the path of the vas deferens, the prostate gland and seminal vesicles add their secretion to the sperm, and that sperm make, or the secretions make the sperm as a liquid form which is called a semen, and it also provides nutrition and make the transportation or further transportation of sperm to the penis easy. So these are the functions of the secretions of seminal vesicles and prostate gland. Okay. Next we can see the next organ, that is urethra. So urethra, as I told you, it is coming from the urinary bladder. So the urethra is a long tube coming from the urinary bladder. Long tube start from the urinary bladder. It carries urine from the bladder. From the urinary bladder, and it also carries semen from the, or sperm from the vas deferens, because it connects with the vas deferens. Okay, sperm, or we can say semen or sperm. Okay, and so we can say that the urethra is a long tube that can carry both urine and sperm or semen from the urinary bladder and the vas deferens respectively. Is it clear about urethra? Urethra structure I show you. So here the urethra, you can see urethra. So this is the vas deferens. So vas deferens joined with the urethra starting from the urinary bladder. This is the urinary bladder. Okay. So you can see this is the vas deferens. Vas deferens joined with the urethra from the bladder. That urethra, you can see, runs through the penis. So this urethra can carry sperm from the vas deferens and urine from the urinary bladder. Then it runs through the penis. Okay, that also we can write over there. Runs or pass through the penis. Okay. Next we can see the next organ, penis. penis, it is muscular organ. It is a muscular organ. It is cylindrical. So we can write it's a muscular cylindrical organ. Cylindrical. Okay, it's a main part of the female reproductive system. And this penis is richly supplied with the blood vessels. So richly supplied with the blood vessels. And the third point, the function of this penis is to passing out or to pass out urine that coming from the bladder through the urethra can be passed out through this penis, and it also had to deposit the sperm into the female genital area or genital organ. So to pass out urine and to deposit sperm into female genital area for fertilization. Female genital area or genital tract, that is it. Genital tract for fertilization or for fusion. Okay, so in human beings, actually there is, in human male, there is only one opening in the penis to pass urine as well as sperm. Only one opening is there in the male penis or male reproductive system to pass urine and sperm. And the sperm structure you learned in 8th standard. What is the sperm structure? So in 8th standard you already learned there is a head region, then a tail region, you already learned. Okay, so here you can see middle piece. So this is the head region and this is the middle piece and this is the tail region. So this is the structure of the sperm. Sperm is a single celled structure that you know it is haploid in nature. It consists of only 23 chromosomes and this middle region consists of mitochondria. Mitochondria provide energy for the transportation or the movement of sperm. Hope you understood everything about the male reproductive system. That's all for today. Thank you.